This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a wine holder. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by selecting your desired design and materials, whether it's elegant wood, sleek metal, or modern acrylic. Next, gather all your essential tools, including saws, drills, and a reliable measuring tape. Finally, carefully plan your dimensions to ensure your holder perfectly accommodates standard wine bottles, typically around 3 inches in diameter. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping your materials. Using your planned dimensions, precisely cut each piece of your chosen material. For example, if you're working with wood, a miter saw can ensure accurate cuts. Next, use appropriate tools for shaping, such as a router to create smooth, rounded edges or decorative profiles. Finally, sand all surfaces thoroughly, starting with a coarser grit and moving to finer grits, to achieve a perfectly smooth finish ready for assembly. With your pieces cut and shaped, it's time for assembly and finishing. Securely join all components using appropriate fasteners, whether that's wood glue and clamps, screws, or welding for metal. Ensure everything is square and stable. Once assembled, apply your chosen protective finish. This could be a rich wood stain, a vibrant paint color, or a clear polyurethane coat to enhance durability. Remember to allow adequate drying time for all finishes, often 24 hours or more, before placing any bottles in your new holder. Finally, let's talk about customizing and displaying your finished wine holder. This is where you can truly make it your own. Consider adding personal touches like engravings, unique paint designs, or decorative elements that match your home decor. Always double-check that your finished holder is stable and can safely support the weight of your wine bottles without tipping. A well-made holder can be a beautiful and functional addition to any space. And speaking of great finds, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.